button.
It's a mirror. Oh, wow. Oh, I am handsome. Hello, handsome man. Is that an AK? You just cost me dearly, but you're worth it. I'm done with the AK. I could have sworn it was upstairs. Where's the katana? I know a shortcut. Hey, it's home. Hello, hello, and welcome back to The Long Drive. I have a couple ideas for the car, and so I figured we would do that today. I wonder if there's stuff up here. Treasure. Oh, there's a sword up here already. I would prefer if this was outside. Okay. The idea is to have, like, this outside to flatten the grass or something. I don't know, man. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Almost like a guide. I have a sword now. I can... Yes. Okay. I can do this. Beer! I could have just got up there from here. Can I use any of this stuff? Ooh, what is this? Is that a famous YouTuber? Whoops. Probably for the best. Water. Poop. What else is in the back that I can use? I think I can make this. Except that it weighs 1,000 pounds. A screwdriver. Oh, it's not a screwdriver. It's a little bug man. My sister loves bugs. I'll put this in there for her. No more creepy basement. Perfecto. Hello, basement that's no longer creepy. Cool things only. Alright, okay. It's... Do you mind? I'm in the middle of something. Look what you made me do. I lost it. Oh, yeah. That one? That one's for me. What else is down here? Diesel. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's spray paint? No. Oh, yo, that helps out so much. Let's get this bad baby in here. And skate. We'll angle it where we can work. Well, let's go sleep. And then we will put our car together. TV. I got an idea for this one. Time to unload. I am going to need more gas. Perfecto. I gotta stop saying perfecto. Attached. So now I can keep stuff in there. Like this. This. And then I just close it. And it's stuck. What? No. 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 Now it's locked in place forever, right? Right. And then this one can just kind of chill back here. Upside down. Like it's meant to be. I should probably take some of this water. I can actually drink this. Okay, perfect. F. Perfect. Right? I think. Now I just need one more strut, like right there-ish. Alright, well. Looks like we're ready to go. Let's go. Got my gas can. Secured. My oil canister. Secured. My sausages in the trunk, and my TV to the go. Look at this magnificent beast. She's ready for any occasion. No! I lost the TV! Oh, perfect. Back on the road. Oh, the biome changed. Okay, well, we're officially in new lands. Way easier to spot stuff out here. What? Why did I stop so abruptly? Son of a gun. You know what? I'll come back for it. I think all my tires are good. You guys see anything? Because I don't. Oh, good lord. I didn't realize I had high beams this whole time. Oh, hey, we're heading back into grass. Back to no grass. Still no buildings. Bye. Oh man, what is wrong with me?